Hello and welcome to the 2021 Minnie Mouse Pool Ball Bouncing Championships. Here we have John Sumo Right throwing the ball there to Lukey Pukey Right. Here's Luke's throw. Ooh! Went straight past him. And, well, he'll be happy with that, but Sumo's not happy, as you can see. Look at that bounce. That is a fantastic throw and a fantastic catch from Lukey. Another throw here. Whoa, look at that. And some of these throws actually reach 56 miles per hour. It's been measured before, and I think Sumo has one of the fastest throws